Name? Rank?
Assistant Chief Ron Hull, Hull.
Tell us what happened here today?
Crews were called out to a structure fire at Maan Farms on Mackenzie Road.
Yeah, and can you tell us about the fire?
On arrival, crews had a fully involved back half of the building, heavy flames coming out through the roof.
Any injuries?
This time we've got one firefighter being checked due to warm conditions and stuff. We're just keeping an eye on our crews.
What was inside the building?
Maan Farms is a agricultural farm where they sell local products.
Any animals injured?
At this time, no animals are injured. They were in pens adjacent to the buildings.
Any idea what caused the fire?
At this time, cause is unknown. We're trying to get a hold of our investigators, get them out and actually have a look and see what we got.
How hard was it to fight?
Again, due to location, size of the fire, and the extent of the fire when we got on scene, took a little bit of work to get water supplies established and get the fire going.
How much damage is done to the barn?
This time, extensive damage to the barn. Top floor is completely burned off.
Started in the top floor then?
This time, I'm not sure. I haven't had a close enough look to see where it actually started.
And how many crews were on scene?
On scene right now, we probably have about 50 members